Hey, what's up internet? Hope you're all having a good day. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the brake lights on a 2006 to 2012 Toyota Avalon. This one here is my 2007 Toyota Avalon, it's my daily driver. And I'm replacing the brake lights because the one on the passenger side went out. I've actually already replaced this one. I'm going to show you how to do the job on the driver's side. It's the same process on both sides, and it's a fairly easy job. You don't need any tools at all. The only thing you're going to need is some latex-free gloves or any gloves of any kind, because you don't want to be touching the bulb with your bare hands, as you can get oils on the bulb and it will wear the bulb out prematurely. For this job you are going to need brake light bulbs number 7443. As you can see there, I went with Sylvania's. The number might be different with different brands, but for Sylvania it's 7443. Now, the first step to this is very easy. There is some kind of trim here, and this is actually, Toyota made it very easy. All it does, you just got to pop that out, and you can do it just by doing this. Because I'm going to be a little extra, I pulled out this top piece as well to give myself a little more working room, but you can totally do it just by removing this piece here. Alright, our next step is to get the old bulb out. It's going to be this top one here. So to get this one out, you just have to turn it. Let's see if I can just turn it clockwise until it comes out. Come on. It's a little tricky doing this one-handed, but I'm trying my best here. Come on. It's not easy when you got fat fingers like I do. I think I'm going to get this off camera, but all you have to do is just turn it counterclockwise and it'll come out. Alright, so now that I got the bulb out of the taillight housing, I guess you call it, pretty simple. This bulb just comes out. You can just pull it right out, just like that. There it is. This one actually still works, but since I did the other side, I'm going to do this side as well, just so I know when both sides have been replaced, because the odds of this one going out in a month or two, probably likely. I mean, it might not, but it's best to just do bulbs in pairs. That comes with anything like headlights, taillights, brake lights like I'm doing right now. It's just good advice to replace bulbs in pairs, and honestly, bulbs aren't that expensive unless you get like super fancy ones, but these ones weren't all that spendy, so I might as well just do the job in pairs. Now I have the now I have the other good bulb. Like I said, the other good one has already been installed, but this one, basically just do this job in reverse. So this one, just, let's see if I can get it. This one you'll just push right in. Carefully, of course, not to snap the bulb. I might do this off camera as well if I can't get it here. Like I said, this job is easier when using two hands. Alright, I'm going to do this part off camera, but all you have to do is just push the bulb in, and then it's good to be installed. So I'm going to get the bulb in, and then I will show you the next step. Alright, so now I have the bulb in. It's ready to be reinstalled. So just very carefully put it back in there, line it up right. May require some finagling a little bit, but alright, well, I'm gonna have to do this part off camera again. Using two hands is much better than using one, but you get the point. You put it in there and then just turn it clockwise to tighten it in there, and then you'll be pretty much good to go. Alright, now I have the bulb in there and it is ready to be put back together. So just basically the reverse of what we did before. Just pop that back in, and that piece here, and the job is complete for the installation. Now, to check them, you could have a buddy just hop in the front seat and tap the brakes just to make sure your lights work. For what I did myself, I just set up my camera. I took a video of the bulb on the side that was bad, and I just tapped the brake a couple times, and then I looked back on the video, made sure that the bulb worked, and it indeed did work. So I know that the bulb is good, and thankfully it's not a wiring issue. But that's pretty much it. A pretty simple job. I got this done. I could have gotten this done in maybe 5 minutes if I wasn't filming it, but hopefully that is a proper instruction on how to replace the brake lights on your 2006 2012 Toyota Avalon. The concept is pretty much the same for most vehicles. Other vehicles might not be as easy as this one to get at, but it's pretty much the same concept. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.